Hey Geek, so buying new gear is something I think all of us can actually get excited about. It's super fun and it's always interesting to get new gear, learn new things, and use all of these brand new features. But let me share something with you that I don't think a lot of people will share whenever they're doing all these new gear reviews, and that it won't help you with the most important thing, and that is creating. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm buying these so then I could create. Well, let me be very specific about that. If you are the type of person who wasn't already creating prior to this new gear, then honestly, none of this stuff is actually going to help you. And if anything, it's probably just going to cost you more money and waste more of your time, because the reality is, if you don't already enjoy creating, just buying more gear isn't going to change that. And that's something that I think you're gonna have to learn early on. And if you don't, you're gonna make a lot of expensive mistakes, and maybe your skills as a creator really won't improve at all. You just basically have a lot of expensive new gear and equipment that you won't use. And I think the best way to do this is to actually use whatever's with you right now. And for most people, that is going to be their phone, their smartphone. I myself use that as my main camera for both videography, cinematography, everything. And it was even my entire editing studio for a while. And so because I was limited to just my phone, I really had to learn how to maximize the use of it, learn how these tools work, and really learn the basics, of shooting videos and shooting photos and just getting better at it. And those foundations, those basic foundations are the same no matter if you're using your phone, camera, or even more expensive equipment. All of those basic foundations are very important. And that's the same for whenever you are creating videos, or shooting photos. The basics are the same. So I think it is more important for you to maximize as much as possible the gear and equipment that you have. And then whenever you move up to these more expensive gear, especially those that are really high-end, new, with a lot of features, then you'll already have some skills and experience. And these tools will just improve that overall. And that's kind of what I learned, at least from my experience. With each and every successive gear, it is just an enhancement of things that I've already learned, but the gear itself doesn't make me a creator. And that's the one thing that I always want to stress. It is not the gear, it's you as a creator. Use the gear as tools to enhance your ability to create, to tell your stories, and to spread your message. So that's my thought today on new gear and equipment. It's really, really fun and exciting, but the most important thing that you could do is actually go out there and create. If you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments there below, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.